Welcome, number 1 Leach Avenue, Box Hill North, a spectacular family residence that truly have it all.
We are Ripple and Luna from McGraw Box Hill. Welcome home.
The premium kitchen is heart of this home, with stone islands and butler's pantry, flows into the open plan living with cozy fireplace. Imagine host an unforgettable party, cooking up a feast in the alfresco with built-in pizza oven, or relaxing on the sand deck, surrounded by lush greenery.
Come and experience for yourself. We can't wait to show you.